Hello everyone. Welcome to Food Tech Network. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then subscribe it now and don't forget to click on the bell icon. For regular updates, visit our website www.foodtechnetwork.in and join our groups. We share jobs, webinars, quizzes, trainings, news on daily basis. We never charge any consultancy fee for jobs. Today we will solve the question paper of Food Safety Officer Exam 2017 Delhi Subordinate Services Board. So our first question is, red color of processed meat products is due to A. Nitrohemoglobin, B. Nitrosylmyoglobin, C. Oxyxanthin and D. all of the above. So the correct answer is B. Okay, so nitrosyl myoglobin. So it is formed by the reaction of nitrite from pickling salts with myoglobin in the meat. Okay, so moving further, which vitamin is used for fortifying milk? Option A, vitamin B6, option B, vitamin B2, C, vitamin C and D, vitamin D. So the correct answer is D, vitamin D. So drinking vitamin D can help boost your levels of the vitamins, which is important for the bone health. Okay, so that's why milk is being fortified with vitamin D. Next question. BHA, butyl hydroxyanizole, is a sweetener agent, B leaving agent, C anti-caking agent and D antioxidant. So the correct answer is D, that is antioxidant. BHA is added to butter, lard, meat, cereals, baked goods, sweets, beer, vegetable oils. It is a waxy solid and used as a food additive. Okay, so the next question is, monosodium glutamate is used as option number A, natural flavor, B, preservatives, C, stabilizer and D, flavor. So the correct answer is D, flavor. It is used as a flavor enhancer with an umami taste that intensifies the meaty and savory flavor of the food, as naturally occurring glutamate does in foods such as stews, meat, soups, etc. Okay, so the next question is, bacteriostatic enzyme found in honey is A, pectinase, B, carboxypeptidase, C, lipase and D, lysozymes. So the correct answer is D, that is lysozymes. So lysozymes are antimicrobial enzymes produced by animals that forms part of the innate immune system. So the next question is, in a controlled atmosphere storage system, CO2 is increased and nitrogen is reduced. B, CO2 is reduced and oxygen is increased. C, CO2 is increased and oxygen is reduced. And D, high pressure oxygen is used. So the correct answer to this is C. Okay, C is the correct answer, that is CO2 is increased and oxygen is reduced. So a controlled atmosphere is an agricultural storage method in which the concentration of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen as well as the temperature and humidity of the storage system is regulated. Question number 7, that is, limiting amino acids in cereals are A, lysine and threonine, B, adenine, tyrosine and tryptophan and D, all of the above. So the correct answer is A, lysine and threonine. So the cereals are incomplete in proteins, that's why they use these or that's why they have these limiting amino acids in them. Okay, so the next question is, basal metabolism is mostly closely related with A, body height, B, body surface, C, body weight or gender or sex. Okay, so the correct answer is C. C, body weight. Okay, so the basal metabolic rate is the number of calories your body needs to accomplish its most basic life sustaining functions. Okay, so the next question is, if an animal is rested before slaughtering, the keeping quality of meat is improved due to the increased level of dash in the muscles. Option A, lactose, option B, lactic acid, option C, protein and option D, fats. So the correct answer to this is lactic acid. Okay, so the reason behind this is due to the resting there will be more glycogen in the muscles. which after slaughtering is converted into lactic acid. Okay, so if they did not get proper rest and then the glycogen flows onto the bloodstream, okay, or the glycogen is used up by the animal due to stress or the starvation, then there will be lower amount of lactic acid that will result in abnormal muscle conditions. How are the abnormal muscle conditions? Which it remains dark purplish or red on exposure to air. The meat becomes dark purplish or red on exposure to air. It do not have that much good quality. Okay. Next question. A dipolar ion with specially separated positive and negative charges is called A. Isoion, B. Zwitter ion, C. Ionophore, and D. Zwitterphore. So the correct answer to this is B. That is Zwitter ion. Zwitter ion have a net charge of 0 and contains equal number of positive and negative charge functional group. Okay. So the next question is, as per the food safety standards and regulations, sterilized milk should not spoil at the room temperature for at least A. 2 days, B. 7 days, C. 10 days, and D. 15 days. Okay, so the correct answer to this is D. That is 15 days. Okay, so during packaging, contamination by bacteria is rigorously prohibited in this sterilized milk. Okay, so they can survive, or they can that should not be spoiled at room temperature for at least 15 days. Okay, so the next question is, TSS for ready to serve fruit beverages should not be less than 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. So the correct answer to this is B. That is 10%. It should not be less than 10%. TSS means total soluble sugar or total soluble solids. Okay. So yeah. 12. Okay, so TSS or sugar contain measures and includes the carbohydrate, organic acids, protein, fats, and minerals of the fruit. TSS increases as the fruit matures. Okay, so the matured fruit have more sweeter than the unripe fruit. So the next question is, addition of BST to oils can prevent A. hydrolytic rancidity, B. oxidative rancidity, C. high temperature damage, and D. bacterial action. So the correct answer to this is B, that is oxidative rancidity. Okay. Sorry. So the next question is, addition of BST to oils can prevent hydrolytic rancidity, B. oxidative rancidity, C. high temperature damage, and D. bacterial action. So the correct answer to this is B. oxidative rancidity. So BST refers to butylated hydroxytoluene. It prevents the auto-oxidation. Okay, so BST stops the autocatalytic reaction by converting peroxy radicals to hydroperoxides. Okay, so there are next question. There are several cases of poisoning due to contaminated honey. While 2% dies, others shows symptoms of blurred vision, paralysis, breathing trouble, and vomiting. The poisoning is likely caused by option A, shigellosis, B, enteritis, C, botulism, and D, salmonellosis. Okay, so the correct answer to this is botulism. Okay, so a rare poisoning caused by toxins produced by bacteria, Clostridium botulinum. Okay, so Clostridium botulinum causes produces a rare toxin that causes poisoning, and it can be that fatal and require emergency medical care. So the next question is, sample taken by the FSS should generally be divided into 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, or kept as a whole. So the answer to this is 4 parts. Next question. Aspergillus niger is used in the production of A. lactose, B. citric acid, C. malic acid, and D acetic acid. So the correct answer to this is citric acid. Okay. So Aspergillus niger is a fungal microbe and it is of great importance. It is of great industrial importance. Okay, Aspergillus niger. Next questions. Eggs are selected for storage by oiling, waxing, candling and none of the above. So the correct answer to this is candling. Okay, so what is candling? Candling is the process of holding a strong light above or below the egg to observe the embryo development. Okay, so the candling is done in darkened room or an area shielded or surrounded by curtains. Okay. Next question. Preserving action of salt is due to A. High osmotic pressure, B. Chloride ion being harmful to microbe, C. Interference of proteolytic enzymes, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer to this is all of the above. Next question. Food Authority of India consists of a chairman and 8 members, 14 members, 22 members and 28 members. So the correct answer to this is 22 members. Question number 20. Who can prescribe the permissible limit of food additives for food to be sold in local shops? Option A, Food Authority, B, Commissioner for Food Safety, C, Local Health Authority, and D, Food Safety Officer. So the correct answer to this is Food Authority. Next question. Phytate in legume seeds mainly decreases the availability of A, proteins, B, fats, C, minerals, and D, vitamins. So the correct answer to this is minerals. Okay, so phytate acid bind to minerals and make them unavailable due to its chelating property. Okay, question number 22. Which milk adulterant can be detected by iodine? Okay, so the correct answer to this is starch. Okay, so when starch present, iodine changes its color from brown to blue, black or purple. Okay, so it can be detected by iodine. Question number 23. Colored juices are being preserved by using A, potassium metabisulfate, B, sodium benzoate, C, sorbic acid, and D, malic acid. So the correct answer to this is sodium benzoate. Okay, so sodium benzoate inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold and yeast in acidic conditions. Question number 24. PFA Act is regulated by A, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B, Ministry of Agriculture, C, Ministry of Food Processing, and D, Ministry of Chemicals. Okay, so the correct answer to this is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is water soluble? So the correct answer to this, the options are thiamine, retinol, tocopherol and califerol. So the correct answer to this is thiamine. Moving further, Clostridium botulinum is inhibited by pH less than 6, pH less than 4 and 5, pH greater than 7 and none of the above is true. So the correct answer to this is pH less than 6. Okay. Next question. After pasteurization, milk must be immediately cooled to below 0 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer to this is 10 degrees Celsius. Deguming of vegetable oil is done by A, phosphoric acid, B, citric acid, C, lactic acid and D, both A and B. So the correct answer to this is phosphoric acid. So deguming is generally done to remove the phospholipid gums. Okay. Next question. Minimum milk solid present in double toned milk is 7.5%, 8%, 9% or 10%. So the correct answer to this is C, that is 9%. Question number 30. Tea drinking may cause dash deficiency which may be counteracted by adding milk. That is, it causes iron deficiency. So compounds in tea are called tannins act as a chelator. They bind to the minerals and inhibit the body's ability to absorb them. So therefore there will be a deficiency of minerals like iron. Question number 31. Food preservative permitted in alcohol wines is A. Nicene, B. sulfur dioxide, C. benzoic acid, and D. sorbic acid. So the correct answer to this is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, that is B. Okay, so sulfur dioxide prevents the wine from reacting with oxygen and inhibits the growth of bacteria. Next question, that is, which of the following is not a disaccharide? That is galactose, sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Okay, so the correct answer to this is galactose. Galactose is a monosaccharide. Question number 33. Maillard browning causes loss of which amino acid? A. Lysine, B. tryptophan, C. histidine, and D. all of the above. So the correct answer to this is all of the above. Next question, which is not an aromatic amino acid? Okay, so A. phenylalanine, B. histidine, C. tryptophan, and D. tyrosine. Okay, so the correct answer to this is histidine. Okay, it do not include any aromatic ring, and only among the 20 standard amino acids, only phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosines are aromatic amino acids. Okay, question number 35. Which is an essential fatty acid? A. stearic acid, B. linoleic acid, C. palmitic acid, and D. all of the above. So the correct answer to this is linoleic acid. Okay, so only two fatty acids are essential for humans, that is alpha linoleic acid and second is linoleic acid. Okay, question number 36. Final acceptor of electron in mitochondrial oxidation is NAD, NADP, FADH2, and oxygen. So that the correct answer is oxygen. So oxygen is the terminal electron acceptor in the mitochondria. Okay, and mitochondrial E-transport chain, and therefore required for generation of energy. Question number 37. In mitochondria, its correct answer is oxygen. In mitochondria, fatty acids are oxidized by A. oxaloacetate, B. pyruvate, C. acetyl CoA, and D. malate. So the correct answer to this is acetyl CoA. Next question. Specific dynamic action SDA is highest for carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and all have same SDA. So the correct answer to this is proteins. So higher SDA for protein indicates that it's not good source of fats. Okay, it is the best source of energy. Question number 39. Botulinum toxin is A. cytotoxin, B. ototoxin, C. neurotoxin, D. enterotoxin. Okay, so the correct answer to this is neurotoxin. And botulinum is one of the most poisonous toxins. Next question. Green rot in eggs. Okay, it is rot, R-O-T. Green rot in eggs is caused by P. fluorescens, second options P. graveolens, A. parulence, and C. tetani. Okay, so the correct answer to this is A. P. fluorescens. Question number 41. Compound commonly used for solvent extraction of fat is ethanol, anhexane, benzyl ester, amxylene. Okay, so the correct answer to this is ethanol. Okay, so because it is one of the most safe for infused edibles. Okay, and it is a polar solvent. Corn syrup mainly contains glucose, sucrose, galactose, fructose. So the correct answer is glucose. Moving to the next, butyric acid fermentation of milk is caused by streptococci, enterococci, yeast species, clostridium species. So the correct answer to this is clostridium species. Next question, high iodine number of fats indicates higher degree of unsaturation, higher degree of saturation, higher degree of oxidation, higher molecular weight. So the correct answer to this is higher degree of unsaturation. So the next question is hydrolytic density of fats. A. Requires oxygen, B. Produces free fatty acid, C. Increase at low temperature, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is produces free fatty acid. Next question, amino acid which is used as gluconeogenesis is alanine, histidine, tryptophan, D. arginine. Okay, so the correct answer to this is alanine. Most common organism which produces enterotoxins is A. Clostridium tetani, B. Clostridium botulinum, C. Escherichia coli, and D. Streptococcus faegens. So the correct answer to this is D. Next question, which fungus is used in production of soya sauce? A. Lactobacillus, B. Saccharomyces, C. Aspergillus, and D. Penicillium. So the correct answer to this is Aspergillus. Next question, development of most grain pests is inhibited if grain moisture content is below 25%, 15%, 10% and 2%. So the correct answer is 15%. Next question, minimum temperature for use of phosphine as fumigant is 35 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is C, that is 15 degrees Celsius. That is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the next is peroxisomes are associated with which process in C3 plants but not in C4 plants? So A. Chemiosmosis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Photorespiration, D. Photosynthesis. So the correct answer to this is photorespiration. So a respiratory process in many higher plants by which they take up the oxygen in the light and give out some CO2 contrary to the general pattern of photosynthesis. Okay. What I have told you is the definition of photorespiration. So the next question is basic material used for preparing rasgulla is A. Khoya, B. Curd, C. Rabdi and D. Chhena. Okay. So the correct answer is B. Question number 53. Khapra beetle is a serious pest of stored A. Mango, B. Wheat, C. Potatoes and D. Apples. So the correct answer is wheat. Okay. So in hot condition there is a popular builds of these. Okay. There is a there is a huge population. Okay. Question number 54. Which has the lowest RQ? Monosaccharides, disaccharides, proteins or fats? So the correct answer is fats. Question number 55. Okay, so a food poisoning incidence during a religious fair in which patients show copious watery stools, extreme dehydration and collapse is likely to be a case of A. Salmonellosis, B. Botulism, C. Cholera and D. Streptococcal infection. So the correct answer to this is C. Cholera. Next question. Commissioner of Food Safety can prohibit sale of any article of food for a maximum period of A. permanently, B. 1 month, C 6 months, and D 1 year. So the correct answer is 1 year. Commissioner of Food Safety can prohibit sale of any article of food for a maximum period of 1 year. Question number 57. Packaged honey which is labeled as produced in the Himalayas but is actually not produced there and it is actually produced near Delhi is an instance of A. spurious food, B. misbranded food, C. substandard food, and D. adulterated food. So the correct answer to this is B. misbranded food. Food which do not conform to prescribed standards is known as misbranded food. Okay. So the next question, bacteria which are most useful in genetic engineering are Escherichia or Agrobacterium, B. Rhizobium and Azobacter, C. Rhizobium and Diplococcus, and D. Nitrosomonas and Klebsiella. Okay. So the correct answer to this is Escherichia and Agrobacterium, that is A. Next question, transposons is also known as S element, jumping gene, flipping gene, or traveling gene. So the correct answer to this is B, jumping gene, because they are DNA sequences that move from one genome to another. That's why they are known as jumping genes. Okay. So the next question is, which growth hormone produces apical dominance? That is A, ethylene, B, cytokinin, and D, C, gibberellins, and D, auxins. So the correct answer to this is auxins. Next question, if a person stores an adulterant, he is liable for a maximum penalty of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. So the correct answer is 10 lakhs. All are powers of food safety officers except entry and inspection of food outlets, B, taking food samples, C, seizing of food articles, and D, sanctioning of prosecution. So that what cannot a food safety officer do is sanctioning prosecution. Okay. So the next question is, pepsin is an example for the class of enzyme. A, oxidoreductase, B, transferase, C, hydrolase, and D, ligase. So the correct answer to this is C, that is hydrolase. In TCA cycle, isomerization of citrate occurs by what I was telling, yeah, in TCA cycle isomerization of citrate occurs by oxidoreductase, B, transferase, C, hydrolase, or D, lyase. Okay, so the correct answer is D. Question number 65. Sprouting of onion during storage is inhibited by using A, calcium nitrate, B, malic hydrazide, C, calcium sorbate, and D, GA. So the correct answer is malic hydrazide. Okay, so malic hydrazide is being sprayed on onions with 2500 ppm mH for 2 weeks. Okay. Next question, which is not true for homogenized milk? Okay, so does not show creaming, has whiter color, is more stable to light, or all of the above are true. Next question, during production of yogurt, protease activity is inhibited by lactobacillus, streptococcus thermophilus, both or none. So the correct answer to this is lactobacillus. Next question, who can impose emergency prohibitory orders under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006? So the correct answer to this is Commissioner of Food Safety. Question number 69, naturally acting toxin found in cabbage is prussic acid, oxalic acid, goitrogen, and solanine. So answer is C. Question number 70, effect of enzyme upon activation energy of the reaction is to increase the activation energy, decrease the activation energy, no change in activation energy, or depend on the type of enzyme. Okay, so the correct answer is decrease of activation energy. Question number 71, Okay, question number 71. A dry wine means one that has higher alcohol contains less water, made from dried raw sugar, or virtually free from sugar. So the dry wines are virtually free from sugars. They are not sweeter and they do not contain any sugar content. Okay. Question number 72. Which enzyme is involved in browning of cut surfaces of fruits and vegetables? A. Amino acid oxidase, B. Polyphenol oxidase, C. Catalase, and D. Peroxidase. The correct answer is polyphenol oxidase. Polyphenol oxidase comes in the contact of air and then react to form a brown pigment. Okay. Question number 73, which is widely used to control enzymatic browning in fruits and vegetables during the process and drying. Okay, so acetic acid, potassium metabisulfate, sucrose, and potassium permanganate. So the correct answer is potassium metabisulfate. Question number 74, main purpose of blanching in fruits and vegetables before preservation is to remove tissue gases, to soften tissue, to sterilize, or to inactivate enzymes. So the correct answer is to inactivate the enzyme known as polyphenol oxidase. Okay, so questions are also interlinking here. In C for photosynthesis pathway, which compound traps atmospheric CO2? RUBP, oxaloacetate, phosphophenol pyruate, or malate. So the correct answer to this is A, RUBP. Next question. A major anti-nutritional factor present in mustard is oleic acid, uric acid, okay, uric acid, algic acid, or bentic acid. Okay, so the correct answer to this is uric acid. Okay. B, uric acid. Okay, so uric acid and tannins are the anti-nutritional factors in mustard. So question number 77, which compound is extensively used in baking to improve dough properties? Okay, so the first option is potassium chloride, B, potassium sulfate, C, potassium carbonate, or D, potassium bromate. So the correct answer is potassium bromate. So the description behind it is potassium bromide oxidizes is an oxidizer. Okay, so it is used to strengthen the dough and enhances its elasticity. It is an oxidizer. Question number 78. What percentage of total milk protein is casein? That is 80%. 80% of total milk protein is casein. Next question. In a cell cycle, RNA and protein growth take place during G1 phase, G2 phase, S phase, and none of the above. So the correct answer to this is G1 phase. G1 phase is an growth phase for RNA and proteins. Question number 80. When an F1 organism is crossed with a genotype identical with the dominant parent is called test cross, polycross, Mendel cross, and back cross. It is very easy. The answer is test cross. Question number 81. Probiotics are cancer inducing microbes, safe antibiotics, food allergens, or live microbial food supplements. Okay, so the correct answer is live microbial food supplements. They helps the body to keep our body healthy and working well. Okay, question number 82. Function of porine protein is A, cytoskeleton formation, B, transport, C, structural, and D, immunological. So the correct answer is transport. Okay, so porine are beta barrel proteins that cross a cellular membrane and act as a port through which a molecule can differ. Okay, so the next question is temperature dependent bacterial death rate follows A, sigmoid curve, B, linear curve, C. Long curve, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is linear curve. Next question. Punishment for selling unsafe food which has resulted in death is imprisonment. Okay, so the first option is up to 2 years, up to 5 years, up to 7 years, or from 7 years to lifetime imprisonment. Okay, so the correct answer is from 7 years to lifetime imprisonment. Okay. Question number 85. Central licensing is required for dairy units processing milk more than 10,000 liters per day, 50,000, 1 lakh, or 25 lakh liters. Okay. So the correct answer is 50,000 liters per day. So the dairy processing units which produces 50,000 liter of milk per day requires central licensing. Okay, so question number 86. Over polishing of rice will make it deficient in vitamin B12, vitamin B1, vitamin C, or vitamin A. Okay, so the correct answer will be vitamin B12. We should not over polish the rice because it results in the deficiency of vitamin B12, and vitamin B12 is called cobalamin that plays an important role in red blood cells formation. Okay. Question number 87. Which fungus is used in production of Roquefort cheese? Okay, Roquefort cheese. So the correct answer is Penicillium. Question number 88. Which distilled liquor is produced from molasses? A. Whiskey, B. Rum, C. Brandy, or D. Vodka. So the correct answer is B. Rum. Which gas is used as a medium for preservation of food? Okay, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine. The correct answer is nitrogen. We always have nitrogen in our chips packet and all, okay, or other foodstuffs. Question number 90. If a strained tomato juice has not less than 25% salt-free tomato solids, it is called ketchup, juice, puree, or paste. Okay, so the correct answer will be tomato puree. Tomato puree is do not contains less than 25% of salt free from tomato solids. Okay, question number 91. It is not completely written here. Maybe it's a technical glitch. So the question is, low level irradiation can be used upon fresh fruits to kill insects, kill molds, inhibit bacteria, and none of the above. So the correct answer is kill insects. Question number 92. Percentage of TSS in a fruit jam should not be less than 42.5%, 55%, 65%, and 75%. The correct answer is 65%. Okay. Question number 93. Presence of which enzyme indicates inadequate pasteurization? Acid phosphatase, B protease, C alkaline phosphatase, and D all of the above. So the correct answer is alkaline phosphatase, C. Next question. HTST pasteurization is done at 63 degrees Celsius for 90 seconds, 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 85 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, none of the above. So the correct answer is B. That is 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Question number 95. Which of the following is not a non-reducing sugar? So the options are glucose, fructose, maltose, and sucrose. So non-reducing sugars are carbohydrates that are not oxidized by a weak oxidizing agent. Okay, so the correct answer is sucrose. Question number 96. Which antibiotic is allowed for surface treatment of cheese? Option number A, tetracycline, B, rifampicin, okay, C, bacitracin, and D, netamycin. So the correct answer is netamycin. Question number 97. Which is not an antioxidant? So the correct answer is sorbic acid. Question number 98. According to the food safety and standard regulations, which artificial sweetener is permitted in jams and jellies? So the options are saccharine, acesulfame, B. sucralose, D. neotame. Okay, so the correct answer is sucralose. Question number 99. Hazen unit is a measure of turbidity, salinity, softness, color. So the correct answer is color. Color is being measured by a unit called Hazen. Allosteric regulation of glycolysis mainly occur at the level of glucokinase, phosphofructokinase, aldolase and pyruvate kinase. Okay, so the correct answer is D. Here is the answer key. You can match your answers from here and you can practice these questions. It will be very helpful for you. Thank you.